Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best nylon brushes is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your cleaning arsenal, capable of tackling everything from stubborn grime on kitchen surfaces to delicate detailing on electronics, offering a durable yet gentle approach that makes them a go-to for a wide range of household and professional cleaning tasks, ensuring a thorough clean without causing damage. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set. This set includes a large brush and a small brush with a convenient wiper blade. The large brush is perfect for tackling tough jobs like grout lines, shower door tracks, and stovetops. Its durable bristles effectively scrub away grime. For those hard-to-reach areas, the small brush is your ideal solution. It's perfect for cleaning fixtures and other tight spaces with ease. The small brush features an innovative wiper blade. This unique feature is designed to clean built-up dirt from drains and other narrow crevices. Both brushes are equipped with durable nylon scrubbing bristles. They also feature soft, comfortable, non-slip grips for a secure and pleasant cleaning experience. What we like? This set offers versatility with 2 brush sizes for different tasks. The integrated wiper blade is a unique feature for clearing stubborn debris. If you need to tackle a variety of cleaning jobs from grout to tight fixtures, this is the set for you. What people say. The set comes with 2 brushes, a larger one for wider areas like grout and shower door tracks, and a smaller one for tight spaces around faucets and drains. This versatility is a huge plus. The bristles are sturdy enough to tackle grime without being too abrasive. I've used them on grout, tile, and even my stovetop with great results. The small brush has a handy wiper blade that's perfect for clearing gunk out of crevices and drains. This little feature is surprisingly useful. Number 4. Holikme 6-piece Dish Brush Set. Tired of juggling multiple cleaning tools? This comprehensive set tackles all your kitchen cleaning needs, from dishes to sinks and countertops. It's a single, cost-effective solution for a spotless home. Struggling with grime in tight spaces? Our specialized brushes are designed to reach every narrow gap and corner, effectively sweeping away hidden dirt for a truly deep clean. Make tough cleaning tasks a breeze. The wide scouring pad covers large areas quickly, wiping out layers of residue in seconds, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time relaxing. Worried about damaging delicate surfaces? Our bristles are tough on stubborn grease and baked on grime but gentle enough not to scratch. Keep your appliances looking like new. This set isn't just for the kitchen. Easily clean aquarium filters, curved tubing, and other hard-to-reach areas without scratching. Make all your cleaning tasks simple and efficient. What we like? This comprehensive kit aims to replace multiple cleaning tools with one purchase. Its deep reach capability is perfect for those hard-to-get-to spots. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution to handle all your kitchen and bathroom cleaning needs, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The set typically includes various shapes, for bottles, grout, dishes, etc., with sturdy bristles. They are highly durable, hold up well against harsh cleaning chemicals, and are comfortable to grip. The bristle stiffness is perfect for tackling stubborn dirt without scratching or damaging my sink, and the handles feel sturdy and easy to grip while scrubbing. These cleaning brushes are really good and work well for everyday kitchen cleaning and also for bathroom sinks. The bristles are sturdy enough to clean dishes, sinks, and tough spots, but not too hard to damage surfaces. Number 3. Boao 20-pack double-ended gun cleaning brushes. Discover the ultimate cleaning tool with its unique double-ended design. One end is perfect for tackling large surfaces, while the other precisely cleans intricate details, meeting all your cleaning needs with a single brush. Experience effortless cleaning thanks to the thoughtful design. Grooves on the wider end offer enhanced flexibility, and the comfortable plastic handles ensure a secure grip for maximum convenience during use. These brushes are incredibly versatile, ideal for cleaning airbrushes, tattoo equipment, and anything requiring detailed attention. They effectively scrub seams, clean metal surfaces, car accessories, and even household items like gas stoves and pipes. Crafted with flexible nylon bristles, they reach into tight spaces for an ideal clean without causing scratches. The durable yet lightweight plastic handles ensure longevity and ease of handling. This package provides excellent value, including 20 double-ended cleaning brushes. You'll have more than enough for your personal needs and replacements, and plenty to share with friends or family. What we like. The double-ended design offers flexibility for both large surfaces and detailed work. With 20 brushes in a pack, you'll have plenty for various tasks and replacements. If you need a budget-friendly option for general cleaning of multiple items like airbrushes or car accessories, this bulk pack is ideal. What people say. It gets all the little spaces and the bristles are tough enough that it doesn't lose shape. Great quality, really holds up during the rigors of cleaning our guns and other products. Works great for the purpose. I am pleased. Number 2. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush. Introducing the SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, your new go-to for stubborn dirt. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle even the biggest messes. Designed with a narrow head, this brush effortlessly reaches tight spaces and corners. It makes cleaning dust and debris in hard-to-reach areas a breeze. From windowsills and grout lines to sink corners and fridge gaskets, this brush is perfect for countless household tasks. It's ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, and even your car. Crafted with quality plastic and alloy, it's built to last. The non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, while the pliable bristles ensure effective cleaning without damage. Simplify your cleaning routine and save space with this essential tool. Its compact design and hanging hole make storage easy, keeping your home tidy and organized. Looking for a practical gift? This versatile cleaning brush is a thoughtful present for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Father's Day. It's a gift that truly keeps on giving. What we like. This brush is specifically designed with a narrow head for deep cleaning in tight gaps and corners. Its hard bristles are effective for tackling tough grime. If you often struggle with cleaning narrow crevices like window sills or grout lines, this brush will make those tedious chores much easier. What people say. The bristles are firm enough to scrub effectively but soft enough not to scratch surfaces. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver around tight corners. Comes with multiple brush head sizes, allowing for versatile cleaning applications on different items. Number 1. Detail Dudes 3-piece card detailing brush set. Introducing the Detail Dudes 3-piece card detailing brush set. This professional quality kit is perfect for all your interior and exterior cleaning needs. Crafted with soft boar's hair bristles, these brushes ensure a scratch-free clean on all surfaces. Safely detail your leather seats, dashboard, wheels, and paint without worry. This versatile set includes a brush for every task, from deep exterior cleaning to delicate interior dusting. Reach every nook and cranny for a spotless finish. Designed with comfortable, water-resistant handles, these brushes provide a secure grip for extended use. They are built for durability and enhanced performance. Our metal-free design guarantees safety for your vehicle's paint, even during wet detailing. Achieve a professional-grade clean effortlessly and without risk of scratches. What we like. This set features soft boar hair bristles that are gentle on surfaces, ensuring a scratch-free clean. The metal-free design adds an extra layer of safety for delicate materials. If you're a car enthusiast who prioritizes protecting your vehicle's paint and interior, these brushes are perfect for a professional-grade detailing. What people say. These were great to get in the textured areas. Removed the dust from the vents, speakers, and around the knobs quickly and easily. Had to clean out the brush several times because of the nasty sticky mess, but it held up nicely and was the perfect tool for the job. These will last a long time. These brushes are soft, yet strong enough to help with cleaning of interior doors, dash, cup holders, armrest, and any other surface with nooks and crannies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.